So of Just Cooking, I'll be making beef steak rolls. Okay, so first we're going to start by cooking our peppers and onions. So we got our peppers and onions in, and we're going to put a teaspoon of garlic in. And some salt and pepper. Let me start with it. Some black pepper and some salt. And we're going to stir that up. Now we're going to cook this until it's nice and tender. So we'll be back in a Just Cooking moment when the peppers and onions are done. I'm going to season the steak, the beef. All right, so my seasoning for tonight is ground cumin, paprika, oregano, garlic, and chili powder, salt and pepper. So I'm going to put that seasoning on the meat. And I have to season both sides. So after I season that one, I'm going to flip it over and season the other side of the meat. And I'm just going to give it like a nice little press in. Okay, and I'm going to turn it back on the other side. And now, after I finish seasoning the meat, I'm going to get the onions and the peppers. And I'm going to place them on the meat. Okay, like so. And I'll be back in a Just Cooking moment with the rest of the recipe. Now we're going to put some mozzarella and sharp cheese in the middle. And then we're going to start rolling it. And after we get a good roll, we have sticks that we want to put in to keep it in place. So I'm just going to take it right through, just like so. Okay, so when we put the sticks in, we're going to cut it. Like a roll. Like a roll. So you see how it gives it the roll effect? So now we're going to break these sticks down a little bit because they're going to be too big to get put in the pan. So I want you to come over to the pan so I can show you how we're going to do the next step. I'm going to put another stick in that so it'll stay. Yes, Okay, and then the last one. This one is not quite a roll, it doesn't fell out. Okay, so we're gonna let these cook until they're brown on both sides. And then we'll be back in just a moment. Here they go after I roll them over. You know, it always got to be one that won't cooperate. So you see how nice and brown that is? So we'll be back in a just cooking moment. Welcome back to another episode of Just Cooking, and I have my meal for today, my beef roll, and Saladin and Keith from
His Point of View.
His Point of View is tasting this meal today. Bon appetit, guys.
Good to see you again, co-host.
Fuck.
We don't do that on Just Cooking. We are not like that. Get it together.
Wow.
What is that noise? Like, oh, yeah. Wow. You better get that checked.
Mm-hmm. I mean, your jaw's strong.
Tastes good, but I haven't tried it with the cheese, so it's really good, actually.
It's nice and juicy, nice and tender. Definitely when you could like.
That's it right there.
That's it right there.
Mm-hmm. That's exactly what I was looking for.
What, you had lost something?
Nah, the flavor. Another co-host.
They won't be back, guys.
This is really good.
All right, before y'all clean the place, what you think? Gonna give it one thumb up?
There's another one. It tastes awesome. Really, really good. Save another one for me.
This is really amazing.
All right, guys. Try it at home. They liked it, so. Quavon, stop it. All right, so try it at home. Just Cooking. Like our pages, subscribe, check out His Point of View on Facebook, Instagram, and all the other social medias. All right, bye.